A collaboration between Buzz Dance and Monkey Bar Theatre, Goodbye Jamie Boyd is based on the verse novel by Elizabeth Fensham, and it was created over 2 years through a series of 3 creative developments and an intensive rehearsal process where we shared language and form, discovering how best to tell this story for the stage. We were overjoyed with the result.
Midnight. Something wakes me out on the veranda. It's a starry night and quiet. And in the dark, scratching sounds going down the walls. And a sound like someone being strangled. I hold my breath. And standing right there is Jamie, smiling like he hates me. What was me? Just say what I see! Say what I see! What was me? Say what I see! Say what I see! What was me? Just say what I God!
Just let me know. I'm always here for you.
Something's wrong, but I don't know what. I just want everyone to be all right, but I'm scared that I might harm them. Show her my cuts. Tell her about Jamie. He's always with me, daring me, pushing me. He's going weird. Maybe he's stressed. He hates me. He's getting possessive. He doesn't approve of my friends. He needs me with him. He yells for attention. He spies on me, peering through windows, always watching. He's jealous. I'm trapped. Doc says, Jamie died before you were born. He was a baby. He only lived for 2 hours. I saw him die. He's alive. My brother is real!